Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right cell format so Excel won't strip characters. That matters because Excel auto-formats numbers. Next, type the dash you need, hyphen, N dash, or M dash, using the keyboard or alt codes. This ensures consistent symbol width. Once done, use concatenate or an operator to insert a dash between text or numbers, and make sure to wrap numeric values in text if you want specific number formatting. This immediate setup prevents later rework. Once the basics are in place, construct formulas that both insert and maintain formatting. You can use text, value 0, 0, 0, and a 2 to glue a formatted number and a dash. This is crucial when decimals matter. If you need to replace characters, use substitute cell to standardize separators across a column. For combining many fields, text join. True range creates a single string with a consistent dash delimiter, which speeds up cleanup and keeps data uniform. To finish, convert formulas to values so the dashes remain stable when you share or export. Copy, paste special, values does that quickly. Then check alignment and wrap text so long dashed entries remain visible. This prevents misread data. If something breaks, use find and replace to swap similar dash characters or stray spaces. Make sure to check cell formats first, because Excel's auto-formatting is the usual culprit. If errors persist, reapply text formatting and retest a sample.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.